Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Gary, the Bearded Woodworker. Happy New Year's, and thank you for joining me today. Coming into the new year, I decided it's time to organize the shop yet again and get it all cleaned up. And as I was cleaning things and going through my wood pile, I noticed I had just a lot of little scraps. They're not exotic woods, they're not hardwoods. So some of them are, but I've got a lot of plywood pieces, I've got a lot of MDF, I got a lot of just pine pieces, and I don't need to keep that. So I decided I'm going to make small little projects out of scrap wood, and I decided why not just make a video about it. So the first one I'm going to make is a simple little window cat perch. I've got some of this carpet, this rug left over from the scratching post that I made. This video right here. If you guys haven't seen it, please feel free to go see it. And basically, I'm just going to use either MDF or plywood. I'm going to make a little rectangle. I'm going to put some little sides on it. I'm going to cut some of the carpet to place on top, and I'm going to screw it directly down onto the windowsill. The cats love to sleep on the windows, and when the windows are closed, it's not enough room for them just to kind of relax. And the baseboard heater's right underneath the window, so I'd like to keep warm there. So let's see if I can't make something a little comfortable for this. Quick and easy, simple little project, not going to take much time at all. My shop's a mess, but I'm not going to let it stop me. Come on. So here is my wood pile that I've already kind of gone through a lot of the longer pieces and stuff that I'm going to save for different projects. I went ahead and put up there. I cleaned out this area down here, and that's what had kind of all this little scraps and stuff here. So I think I've got enough beadboard to make a couple of nightstands that will go next to the bed I made 3 years ago. And I think I've got enough scraps here that I can make those. And then over here underneath my table saw, you know, I've got some scrap wood over here, all this stuff over here. It's just a mess. So I think I want just to make maybe an 1.5 inch, 2-inch little lip around this plywood piece. I'm just going to cut a piece of carpet instead of wrapping it around to staple it, so the carpet can come up and we can clean it if we want to. So let's find the plywood. Like I said, this is the same carpet scraps I had for the other project. This is an old rug of ours. Got stained and stuff. But I think I can find a good non-stained section here. Cute. Most of this is going to sit on the windowsill. I'm going to pre-drill 2 holes with countersinks for a couple of screws. I'm going to attach it directly to the windowsill. And then I think what I'll do is I'm going to put a clear coat on the edge here, and then I'm going to use some double-sided sticky tape, like carpet tape. I'm going to put a couple of strips down here. That way we can pull it off and clean it if we want to, instead of adhering it. And then after it's on there, I can stick it down, just like that. Now I'm going to make 2, so all I have to do is find a little bit more wood to build the edges for that second one. If this is your first time watching my videos, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Maybe hit that bell notification too. You know what that does. Thanks. After I had nailed and glued this one together, this corner just had too big of a gap, so I went ahead and cut that bevel while it was still on the plywood, but no biggie, because the carpet's gonna cover it, so I don't really care that there's a little mark there. Let's clear coat now. Coming through, coming through. there you have it. I think my cats are going to be thrilled to have a little bigger space to sleep on the windowsill. Been meaning to do that for a while, so I'm kind of glad I'm cleaning up my shop and I'm getting rid of some of this scrap wood. Really appreciate you guys for watching. Again, if you like what you see, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, do the notification bell if you like. Maybe even leave a comment if you have any questions on this build. It was pretty super simple. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, have a good day. We'll see you again soon. Bye.